This video demonstrates how to install a Steelcraft hollow metal door frame during the pre-drywall stage of new construction. The process is the same for both wood stud and metal stud wall systems. For illustration, a metal stud wall is shown. In any building project, secure openings require proper frame installation. In this guide, you'll learn how to prepare, install, and verify a Steelcraft frame step by step to ensure a plumb, square, and durable result. Begin by locating the Steelcraft frame at the correct opening. Verify the frame number matches the drawings. Compare the handing and size of the frame to the specifications and review the hardware schedule. If anything does not match, contact your distributor. Check that hardware reinforcements are in place. Confirm hinge size, strike type, and closer mounting. In this installation, we're using a 4.5-inch hinge, a standard strike, and reinforcements for both regular arm and parallel arm closers. For the wall system, we'll use a 5 3/4-inch steel stud anchor with 3 5/8 studs and 5/8-inch drywall on each side. Some projects may require custom anchors. Determine finished floor conditions: concrete, carpet, tile, or wood. Adjust the frame height so doors clear the flooring. Steelcraft frames include adjustable base anchors for surfaces up to 1 3/8 inches thick. Confirm flooring details before setting the frame. Steelcraft frames may ship welded or knockdown. Here, we're installing a pre-welded frame. Knockdown frames require minimal assembly, with slots and tabs that lock together. Bend rabbet tabs outward for a secure fit. Install base anchors using the screws provided. Pre-welded Steelcraft frames arrive with a shipping bar to prevent twisting in transit. Remove this bar by grinding it off. Never bend it away. With studs in place, stand the Steelcraft frame in the wall line. Insert a spreader between the hinge and strike jambs at the base. The spreader must be cut square to align the jambs. Confirm the frame allows for drywall thickness on both sides. Secure base anchors to the floor with concrete screws or drive pins. Place 3 anchors on the hinge jamb and 3 on the strike jamb. Always place one above each hinge and directly across on the strike jamb. Frames taller than 7'6" require extra anchors. Refer to Steel Door Institute guidelines. If wiring is required, install conduits or flex cable now. Add a mid-frame spreader between the jambs to maintain alignment. Check the frame head for level and adjust anchors if needed. Move studs into place and secure them to the floor track with screws on both sides. Fasten studs against the jambs, anchoring them to the top track. Install the header above the frame, keeping studs square. Confirm the jamb dimension matches at both top and bottom. Check the Steelcraft frame for plumb, level, and square before anchoring. Secure the top stud anchor at the strike jamb, then repeat on the hinge jamb. In this installation, a wood stud anchor is used. Bend the anchor ears around the stud and fasten with screws for a tight fit. Recheck the frame after the first anchors are set. Continue fastening the rest, securing each with at least 2 screws. Bend the anchor ears tightly for a snug connection. After anchoring, confirm plumb and square again. Spreaders should remain in place during drywall installation to prevent shifting. The drywall installer must carefully fit panels around the jambs without forcing the frame out of alignment. Chamfer drywall edges if needed to fit over screw heads. As drywall is placed, check the Steelcraft frame again for plumb and square. Once studs and drywall are secured, the installation is complete and ready for the next construction stage. This complete hollow metal door system is available at www.doorclosersusa.com. Call 866-232-5673 or text 210-275-8966 for customized hollow metal door packages. Use our interactive online hollow metal door quote builder.